So I rescued her. But she really doesn't care. She just wants to get out of her swing, and so she kicks and kicks and kicks and kicks and scoots and stares up at her giraffe. Elsa, you're so silly. Elsa, you're so silly. What a beautiful baby. What a glorious girl. Wow, Elsa. What are you trying to do? What are you trying to do, Elsa? Oh my goodness. What are you trying to do, my love? What are you trying to do, Elsa, love? Okay. Hey, baby. What are you trying to do? I guess I need to rescue you. Sorry for the bad videoing. I had to rescue the baby. We had to rescue you, Elsa. Elsa, my love. Elsa, my darling. Hi. Hi. What are you doing? What are you being so silly for? Are you exercising? Huh? Huh? Elsa. What a beautiful baby. What a beautiful baby you are. Elsa Joy, what do you see back there? You see Mommy's coat? I just love her little bitty chin. It's so kissable. Elsa, are you resting? Did you get tired? You ready for your nap? Are you ready for your nap, Elsa? Are you ready to go to your bed and take a little nap? No? She's kicking. She's kicking and she's smiling. Are you smiling, the baby? Wow! What are you trying to do? What are you trying to do? I think so.